You didn't need a gym or any fancy equipment to get there. Today, I'm going to show you how to build big arms with just 7 minutes a day and 7 powerful exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. Hit the subscribe button for more. Ready to transform your arms and boost your confidence? Let's dive in. Think back to when you were a kid, pretending to be a superhero. Remember how you'd flex your arms, imagining you had the strength to lift anything? Well, those childhood dreams aren't far off from reality. Strong arms aren't just about looks. They're about power, confidence, and the ability to tackle anything life throws at you. But here's the best part. You don't need heavy weights or a gym membership. All you need is your own body weight and a few minutes a day. Let's start with Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Diamond Push-Ups. First up, Diamond Push-Ups. This exercise targets your triceps, the muscle group that gives your arms that sought-after definition. Place your hands together in a diamond shape, lower your chest towards the ground, and push back up. Do this for 1 minute. Exercise 2. Tricep Dips. Now, let's move to Tricep Dips. Find a chair or a step. Anything stable will do. Position your hands on the edge, feet out in front of you, and dip your body down, focusing on those triceps. Again, 1 minute here. Feel that burn? That's your muscles growing stronger. Exercise 3. Plank to push up. Next, we're ramping things up with the plank to push up. This movement not only targets your arms but engages your core as well. Start in a plank position, lower down on one arm, then the other, and push back up. Alternate for, you guessed it, 1 minute. Keep going. You're halfway through the 7 exercises. Your arms are already thanking you. Exercise 4. Pike Push-Ups. On to Exercise 4. Pike Push-Ups. This one's all about hitting those shoulders and upper arms. Get into a downward dog position, hands shoulder width apart, and lower your head toward the ground. Push back up and repeat for 1 minute. Feel that tension? That's the magic happening. Remember, it's not about speed. It's about control and feeling every representative. Exercise 5. Close grip push-ups. Number 5. Close grip push-ups. This exercise zeroes in on your triceps while still giving your chest some love. Hands close together, lower down, and push back up. Keep your elbows tucked in. Another minute here. Stay focused. You're doing amazing. Let's keep this momentum going. Exercise 6. Isometric arm hold. Now for something a little different. Exercise 6. Isometric arm holds. Extend your arms out to the sides and hold them there. It might sound easy, but give it 1 minute, and you'll feel the burn deep in those muscles. This is where mental toughness meets physical strength. Exercise 7. Arm circles. Finally, let's finish strong with arm circles. Start with small circles, gradually making them larger. This one might feel like a cool down, but it's a killer for building shoulder endurance. Keep it up for the last minute. Your arms will thank you later. The benefits. What you've just achieved, and just like that, you've completed 7 exercises in 7 minutes. You've not only worked your arms but also boosted your metabolism and improved your overall strength. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a part of your daily routine, and watch those arms grow. Want more tips and routines to help you achieve your fitness goals? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who's ready to build their dream arms without any equipment. Join our community of health enthusiasts, and let's crush those fitness goals together. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. See you in the next video.